Whenever you create websites or web app prototypes, sometimes you want to store the form data. With Gridbox, we have made that option simpler. Since we have integrated Gridbox with Netlify platform, you can always store the form data with Netlify. There are two ways to create a form using Gridbox. Either you can create form from scratch or you can make use of pre-built forms. As of now, I am going to drag and drop pre-built contact form. Click on the Components panel. Under Contacts, drag and drop any pre-built contact form. To integrate the form with Netlify, click on the form element. Sometimes you find it difficult to select the form tag in the visual canvas. In that case, you can make use of Inspect panel to click on the form element. Now click on the Settings. Under Properties panel, you need to enable Save to Netlify option. If you enable this option, whenever you deploy the project to Netlify, your form will be ready to receive submissions from your visitors. Alright, let us try to test the form data. Click on the deployed URL. Let us try to give some sample input to the form to test the form submission. When you click on Submit, you can see that your form submission has been received. If you want to see the visitor submissions, you can open the domain settings. This will open the Netlify platform. Under Forms, you can see all the user submissions. That's an overall introduction to Netlify forms.